Hello, morning everyone. This is day 2 in Hong Kong and it's quite cold today. 哇，现在冷到张口都冷掉。哇，很冷哦。哦，要这样，水会这样流下去。我们在第16楼。哇，很冷哦。Okay, so after that, we are going to go and eat breakfast at this hotel. It provides complimentary breakfast here. There's some coffee every morning, eggs, boiled eggs, coffee from the machine. The best way to spend the morning, some bread. They have also buns, fruits, apples, anchor butter, and so on before I head out for walks around the city. It's quite clean. We are going to go to Ocean Park, but before heading to Ocean Park, I'm going to show you a walk around the city, especially during this cold morning in Hong Kong. This is the Caritas Bianchi Cafe on the 6th floor. Now we're here out after our breakfast, walking about. Let's go down this slope. This is at Yau Ma Tei area, and now we're going to have a walk around. The best thing to do when you're traveling around Hong Kong, from my view, to my experience, is that check out the location where you're going to go and find the route for the MRT or the MTR or buses that head to that direction, because there are some areas where you need to have interchanges in between. The streets here are quite clean. Now the time is roughly around 9 a.m. in the morning. This time you haven't跑真的。去看到不会。看过了，要那个咯。1、2、3，这个。1、2。可以看到1分好像在。对。吃饱了啊，吃饱了啊！现在我们在这个要去走的了。我们要跑去走的。我好喜欢这里的朋友来。喜欢啊 ，Nathan Hotel on Nathan Road， 就是宾馆。对不过。你还要来？走吗？很冷的哈。对。 There is a lot of bus stops along this whole highway, so you can get the bus very easily. But you need to plan out which route you need to go before getting on the bus. Right side. Juga. Iya. JKK 的那个 Norifly 咯，金。
上面很热。
Back from the train doors.
Admiral.
啊
Admiral.
？Admiralty
Admiralty. 唔係，我不懂。那个 Admiralty
有没？
有啊，你看那边红色点。
是吗？了解。
是还没有，尖沙咀是 next one。
下一站尖沙咀，此站。
This is amazing. Look at how long these escalators can go. Let's ride down these escalators. This is quite long. I'm quite amazed at how long it is, and it is quite clean too. Here in Hong Kong, if you're not walking fast, you have to stand on the right.
Stand firm on either side and hope for handstand. Please stand back from the platform doors.
呢？哦，那边去看一下。Thank you very much for watching this vlog. The next video is going to be at Ocean Park. Now we're almost there at Ocean Park. A few more stations before we head to Ocean Park. Station that reaches Ocean Park is going to be just outside the park. So now we're here outside Ocean Park after walking out of that MTR station. You can see the Ocean Park sign. It is a nice place for families to visit. You can spend a whole day there.
Jasper, I'm gonna need you to put your jacket on. It's cold in here. Okay? Jasper, wait up for mommy. Hey, look up. Those are called cable cars. See them floating up there? There you go, this way.
Wait, I forgot the security singer.